Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simran and today I'm going to tell you how to grow your hair long. So let me tell you guys that there is nothing in this world which can grow your hair long overnight except hair extensions. Yeah, they are. But there is nothing in this world which can grow your hair like voila, you are sleeping and next day you see your hairs are like that. There's nothing in this world. Believe me, these are myths all around. So let me talk about hairs first. As you all know that our hairs are composed of protein. And protein is really important for each and every part of our body and it's really essential for our body functioning. The first thing you have to remember is that you have to take care of your diet. You have to include green vegetables and many other vitamins and nutrients in your diet so that it can help your hair to regrow and give them strength and shine. So the first part is really important to have a really balanced diet. Second thing I want to tell you guys, there are so much of shampoos in the market which have chemicals. So they're gonna damage your hair, so you must use a mild shampoo. Please guys, use a mild shampoo because your hairs are too delicate and you have to take care of them by natural products. So these are some of the basic things which I want to tell you. So let's see what are the tips through which you can grow your hair really long. So let's get started. I have two tips for you. So first of all, one is massaging. Massaging your hair is really important because when you massage your hair, it helps in circulating your blood. When your blood circulation is good, it helps in the growth of your hair. So I'm going to tell you about an oil which I'm using. I know my hairs are too short because I have get them trimmed. No, I haven't get them trimmed. I have a haircut last week. So what I'm using is Baidyanath Mahabhrangraj Tel. It's the oil. The packaging is not very clear. So I can tell you the MRP, it's 220 rupees. You can get this oil in any of the medical stores and it's really good. It's 100% natural and it strengthens your hair, any kind of dandruff or split ends, and it definitely helps. I'm using it since 1 year and I haven't faced any kind of problem. So this is a miracle oil for me. I recommend you guys to use this because it's so nice. It's really good. You can give it a shot. It's really effective. And you must try it on, guys. I know it's a little bit expensive in terms of oil, but I think it's worth it. If you can't buy this, you can either use any of the oils, coconut oil, mustard oil, any of the oil which you want, olive oils. But if you can buy this oil, it's really good. It's gonna help you a lot for your hairs. It treats everything, every problem related to your hair. Believe. You have to massage your hair twice a week with very gentle hands with your fingertips, and that's it. Second one is a egg mask. Okay, if you are vegetarian and if you don't use egg because it smells bad sometimes, so you can use henna mask. You have to use henna mask once in a 15 days, and if you're going to use egg mask, then you have to use it once a week. It's really effective. Egg mask is unbelievably amazing. So is the henna mask. You can apply it, but applying henna, keeping it for a time, it's a little tricky. Applying egg mask is really easy. Okay, if you want to apply something really within a week, like I apply egg mask, you can also go for, if you don't apply egg mask, you can go for curd mask. Keep it into your hair about 1 hour. Same as with egg mask and your curd mask. You have to keep it into hair for about 1 hour and then you have to wash your hair with a mild shampoo. So these are the two ways by which you can grow your hair really fast. You have to do both of these things, then only you will going to see the results. If you can't, then the oil one is really perfect. Oh, I forgot about one tip, that is you have to go for trimming once a month. You can get rid of all the split ends you have and it helps to grow the hair long. That's it for today. If you really like this video, please hit the thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, do share your comments, do share this video with your friends, and that's it girls. Bye.